In certain faces, first select your object, then select Edit Mode, then select Face Select, then select the face you want to insert. Then press Shift, Spacebar, then I for Insert Face. Then just grab that with your left mouse button and move your mouse. Okay, another way to insert a face is by selecting your object, then selecting Edit Mode, and making sure Face Select is selected, then hit Insert Face, then select it with your left mouse, and then move it to where you want it, and then let go again.